Voice.com has been sold for $30 million, data recovery for $1.7 million, and insurance.com for $35.6 million. And there are many other domain names like carinsurance.com, internet.com, 360.com, privatechat.com, and many other domain names that were sold for millions of dollars. Today we'll talk about earn money by selling domain names. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, subscribe the channel now, like and share it, and do watch it till the end so that you have better idea about selling domain names. This is the website called dropcatch.com. Over here you'll find many domain names that were just dropped, and you have a filter over here, TLD filters. You can filter out the domain names by the extensions like .com, .org, .net, .cc and .tv. So as you can see, .com is the king of all domain extensions. So you can see they have around 468,731 domain names that ends with .com. So over here you can see they have coupons, but it starts with K, so we don't want to misspell any of the domain names. We can see over here, yes, 3-letter domain name is also available, xtz.net, ura.net. so you can definitely look for it, but it's I can see it's quite expensive still to buy a domain name, but still you can think about it if you have, because it's a 3-letter domain name and it's still valuable. And over here there is one dictionary domain name, skurs.com. so yes, definitely you can think about it, and it's only for $99. so if you buy it for $99 and you can see the value of this dictionary domain name, you can flip it for like 400 or definitely for $1,000 as well, or even more than that. It completely depends on you how much you wanna sell it for, so it's completely up to you. They have openmind.net, so you can definitely think about it as well. And there are many other domain names on dropcatch.com, the xmas.com, kidspirit.com. these are just dropped domain names. You have a filter over here for the sellers like private sellers, pending delete, pre-release, so you can have a look at it as well. So let's check over here. You have shoes for girl, co-executors, you have many other domain names as well, and if you can see pre-release, so you can have a look at it as well. So we'll just remove for private sellers. So this is how you can see. So we'll now move on to the different website, that is expireddomains.net. over here you'll find domain names from Dropcatch as well, but there are many other domain names. So they have, so you can see many other domain names. Mexico all-inclusive report.com, it's a lengthy domain name. You can search for short domain name, but you will definitely find it. You will just need to spend some time and you will get it. You can have a look at catched.com as well. They have many other domain names so that are premium, like coles.co and wheat.co. these are .co domain names, not as compared to .com, but you can still go for it. Coles.co, it's quite premium because you can start sports website by using this domain name, and you can sell that website as well if you're not willing to sell the domain name once you have purchased it. So there are many other domain names, but the extensions are not .com. You'll just need to filter it out over here, and you will be able to see .com domain names as well. Now once you have selected all the domain names, you will just need to sell them off on the website. So we have one website called flipper.com. so over here you can sell your domain name and this is the button. You can click on sell now and you will get many other options. So this is where you can see domains, so domain names that are undeveloped or parked. So you can select over here and you'll need to enter the domain name and you'll need to click on continue to proceed ahead with the selling of your domain name. And on Flippa there's a catch. They have a fixed price to sell your domain name. So if you can just see over here, you will get their prices, but this is where you can see they have a fixed price for selling a domain name, whatever you want to sell on flippa.com. So if we are talking about domains, so domain names that are undeveloped or parked, so they charge $10 for that. So you can have a look at it if you are selling on flippa.com. So that's not an issue if you are not okay with giving or paying $10 to flippa.com to sell your domain names. We have other websites as well, and let's have a look at them. Second is sedo.com. So over here, this is the website where you can park your domains, you can sell your domain names as well. So you have many other options like domain trade, domain option, promotion options as well. So if you can see over here, this is how it looks. So these are all paid domain names that are up for sale. So you can see featured domains, idle.com, they are all premium domain names. So if you can see happy.net as well, it's up for $200,000. If you don't have an account, you need to click on register and you are good to go to proceed ahead with the selling of your domain name. If you just click on a sell domain over here, you can see domain trade and list as buy now or make offer. So they charge 10% commission. They'll not ask you to pay $10, so you can choose any of the websites. So this is what you can see. They have two options like faster sales with buy now prices, negotiate individual domain prices. So you'll get many options over here. So list domains for free, only 10% if domain name is successfully sold. You can start selling on sedo.com as well. Let's have a look at third website. It's Afternic. So over here you can see sell domain, list your domain, and you can start selling a domain on Afternic as well. Why sell your domains on Afternic? Lowest commissions in the industry, worldwide distribution through 100 plus resellers. So you can just have a look at them and you can sell it on afternic.com as well. And the last one we'll talk about Uni Registry. It's free to join Uni Registry. They do provide with many options, 14 languages. You will get your own dashboard wherein you can see all detailed stats, and you'll get messages as well. You have customer support, full transparency, free domain appraisals as well. Domain appraisal is something that they will tell you the value of your domain, and accordingly you can sell it, but it depends on you as well. If you think the valuation is too low, accordingly you can set your price as well. And this is the last one. There are many other websites, but these websites are what I think are good to go, and you can definitely go ahead with either of them. And thank you for watching Pickpocket It. Do subscribe the channel and do share it with others who has the potential to sell their domains and to make money online as well. See you in next video.